Car emission is a big problem. It affects the health of the people of Bangkok and creates a very bad atmosphere for those who want to visit Bangkok, especially tourists. So it's been a, a main objective of the BMA from the beginning to reduce car emission. There are two ways of doing this. The first is to reduce direct emission. And there is another way to deal with the car emission problem. At the moment, 60% of those who travel in Bangkok travel by private vehicles. Only 40% travel by public transportation. We need to reverse the percentages. We need to reduce the number of private vehicles to 40% and increase the number of people using public transportation to 60%. To do this, we have to build more mass transit systems.
Hopefully someday things will change and there'll be less cars and more bicycles in Bangkok, which would mean less pollution, a little bit lower temperature, and overall healthier nation.
Yeah, and smile with him a little bit.